Hi, today I'm gonna show you my version of veganizing this delicious butter chicken. Let's get to it. First, let's start with the chicken. I like to use soy curls for this recipe since it absorbs a ton of flavor and retains its chewiness after boiling or simmering. You can use pea curls, chickweed, or any ready mock chicken that doesn't get soggy or break apart when cooked. I first hydrated the soy curls in boiling water for 10 minutes, drained the water, then marinated it in garlic and ginger paste, salt, chili, and paprika powder. The exact ingredients will be in the video description and on Veganized website, where you will find the written recipe of this video and all the previous ones. Let this marinate for at least 20 minutes, then fry in some oil till it starts getting some color. You can now take the soy curls off the heat and set them aside. We will add them later when the sauce is ready. In the same pot, I'll add more oil and fry some finely chopped onions, 1 big or 2 medium onions. I'm using frozen ready chopped onions here because big boys don't cry, even from onions. Once the onions are translucent, I'll add in 6 medium chopped tomatoes and around 100 grams of cashew nuts. I'll let these cook for a couple of minutes until the tomatoes are a bit softer. Then add in about 20 grams of vegan butter along with these spices: garlic paste, ginger paste, turmeric, garam masala powder, chili powder, paprika powder, and salt. Move it around till the butter is melted, then add in about 1.5 cups of water. I'll let this simmer for 20 to 30 minutes till all the ingredients are very soft and can be easily pureed. While it's simmering, I thought I'll show you how to cook the perfect rice to go with this butter chicken. I have here 1 cup of basmati rice. I'll wash it a couple of times to get rid of the starch. When the water is clear, I cover the rice with water about 2 centimeters above the top of the rice. Spice it beforehand with salt, 1 bay leaf, and a tiny bit of star anise. I'll put this on high heat till it boils and then lower the heat to minimum and cover it. It helps if you have a glass cover to see how the rice is doing, but it should take around 15 to 20 minutes to fully cook. Fluff it with a fork once it's ready and keep it covered until it's time to serve. Now that our sauce is ready, I'll transfer it to a high-speed mixer and puree the shit out of it. You can use a hand mixer as well, but make sure to not leave any small pieces in the puree. I'll strain the puree back in the same pot after I made sure the pot has no big pieces left in it. You should end up with some tomato seeds and skin, and the puree should be very silky and smooth. Now's the time to taste this sauce and add more salt if needed, or a little more water if it's too thick. Then add in the ready soy curls, some cooking cream, and 20 grams of vegan butter, along with half a teaspoon of kasoori methi powder, aka fenugreek leaves. This spice really gives the butter chicken its distinct flavor. Here is the name of the spice in many languages. As you can see, the leaves are carefully picked and crushed by this lady here in the picture. Let the butterless chickenless butter chicken bubble for a couple of minutes, then take it off the heat. Now it's ready to serve with some rice on the side, cream and kasoori methi on top. You can garnish this with parsley or coriander leaves, but I was too hungry to garnish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel or leave a comment to tell me that this shouldn't be called butter chicken if it doesn't contain any butter nor chicken. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.